Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Z Index in Elementor. Z Index is an essential concept in web design, particularly when dealing with layers and how elements stack on a web page. Understanding it can dramatically enhance the visual hierarchy and depth of your designs, helping you create a more engaging user experience. Let's start by understanding what Z Index actually is. In simple terms, Z Index is a CSS property that allows you to control the vertical stacking order of elements on a web page. This is especially relevant when multiple elements overlap. The element with the higher Z Index value will appear on top. To begin, open your Elementor editor. You can apply the Z Index to any element, but let's start by selecting a widget that you want to overlap. Once you've selected the widget, navigate to the Advanced tab in the Editing panel on the left. Here, you'll find the Z Index field. It's empty by default, which means it's set to 0, a neutral state in which the stacking order is determined by the sequence in the page's HTML code. To demonstrate how this works, let's say you have two overlapping images on your page. Click on one of the images, head to the Advanced tab, and in the Z Index field, enter a value, such as 10. Now, select the second image and also go to its Advanced tab. In its Z Index field, enter a lower value, like 5. The first image should now lay visibly above the second image due to its higher Z Index. Remember, the higher the Z Index number, the higher the priority given to that element in terms of visibility when elements overlap. You don't have to limit yourself to small numbers. These values can be as high as you need, depending on your design requirements. A tip to keep in mind while using Z Index is to be consistent with your values for clarity and ease of maintenance. Use values that make sense to you and are easy to track, especially when working with complicated, layered designs. You may also find it helpful to keep a rough sketch or list of the layers stacked in your layout, along with their respective Z Index numbers for your reference. Another essential tip is to make sure that the elements you're working with are positioned correctly. Z Index will only affect elements that have either a relative, absolute, or fixed position in CSS. By default, most elements are positioned statically, which means they'll ignore the Z Index property. So, it's crucial to set the position first if you're not seeing the expected results. By mastering the use of Z Index in Elementor, you'll gain better control over your page's design elements, ensuring a seamless and professional look. Practice using it to guide eyes, create depth, and draw attention to key areas, a small detail that leaves a big impact on user experience. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!